Hello guys, this is me Vijay Chan presenting you the most important MCQs for the upcoming JKSSB Finance Account Assistant exam. Friends, we have done the part first of this topic transport and communication. Now we are doing the second part. Okay, so let's start. Question number 1. The largest share of the cargo shared by Indian ships is option A food grains, option B petroleum products, option C metal ores, option D capital goods. Friends, the correct answer is option C metal ores. Okay. Question number 2. Which one of the following organizations is responsible for the construction and maintenance of the national highways? Option A state government, option B NHAI, that is National Highway Authority of India, option C BRO, option D National Highway Corporation. Friends, the correct answer is option B NHAI. National Highway Authority of India is responsible for the construction and maintenance of the national highways. Question number 3. The International Airport Authority of India and National Airports Authority were merged to form the Airports Authority of India in 1995, 1985, 1975, 1965. And the correct answer is option A 1995. Okay. Friends, first flight in India started in 1911 between Allahabad and Naini. Question number 4. When was the Borders Road Development Organization set up? Option A April 1951, option B April 1955, option C April 1952, option D May 1960. Okay. Friends, BRO, that is Borders Road Development Organization, was established on May 1960. BRO builds strategically important roads on northern and northeastern bordered areas. Okay. Question number 6. Question number 5. When was Pawan Hans Limited introduced? Pawan Hans is a helicopter and Pawan Hans Limited is a company building helicopters. Option A is May 1960, option B October 1985, option C October 1986, option D April 1995. Friends, the correct answer is option C. Option B is correct. October 1985. Okay. Since October 1985, a helicopter service run by the Pawan Hans Limited has been introduced with the objective of meeting the requirements of petroleum sector, including ONGC. Okay. Question number 6. When was Shipping Corporation of India established? Option A is October 2nd, 1961. Option B is October 27, 1961. Option B is September 2, 1961. Option D is November 4, 1987. Friends, the correct answer is option A, October 2nd, 1961. The Shipping Corporation of India was established by the integration of Eastern Shipping Corporation and Western Shipping Corporation in October 2nd, 1961. Question number 7. When did Inland Waterways Authority of India came into existence? Option A is October 2nd, 1961. Option B is October 27, 1986. Option C is September 18, 1992. Option D is January 26, 1986. Friends, the correct answer is option B, October 27, 1986. Okay. The Inland Waterways Authority of India came into existence on October 27, 1986 for the development and ordinance of inland waterways for shipping and navigation. Okay. Question number 8. Which is the highest airport in India? Option A, Leh Airport. Option B, Manali Airport. Option C, Srinagar Airport. Option D, Dharamshala Airport. The correct answer is option A, Leh Airport. Leh Airport in Ladakh is the highest airport in India and is highest commercial airport in the world. Okay. Question number 9. Which is the busiest international airport in India? Option A, Indira Gandhi International Airport. Option B, Amritsar International Airport. Option C, Kempegowda International Airport. Option D, Chennai International Airport. Indira Gandhi International Airport is in Delhi and it is the busiest international airport in India. So option A is correct. Question number 10. Which is the fastest train of India? Option A, Rajdhani Express. Option B, Shatabdi Express. Option C, Gatiman Express. Option D, Vande Bharat Express, or it is also called as Train 18. Friends, Rajdhani Express was the first Indian superfast train. Shatabdi Express was the fastest Indian train up to 2014. Gatiman Express was the fastest train until recently. Vande Bharat Express clocked the speed of 180, thus becoming the fastest Indian train. The top speed of Gatiman Express to be recorded was 160 km per hour. Okay, so currently train 18 or Vande Bharat Express is the fastest Indian train. After the completion of fast railway corridor between Ahmedabad and Mumbai, the new bullet train will be the fastest train in India. Question number 11. Which is the highest railway station in India as per the altitude? Option A, Ghum. Option B, Ooty. Option C, Shimla. Option D, Aju. Friends, the correct answer is option A, Ghum. Okay. Ghum is situated in the Darjeeling Himalayan Railway that runs between the Jalpaiguri and Darjeeling in West Bengal. Ghum station is the India's highest railway station at an altitude of 2,257 meters. It is also a World Heritage Site. The Bilaspur Mandi railway line is a proposed high elevation track connecting Bilaspur in Himachal Pradesh to Leh in Ladakh. The track will become the highest railway track in the world, and Tanglangla will become the highest railway station in world. But this project is not completed yet. Question number 12. Which of the following locations are joined in the East-West corridor? Are joined by the East-West corridor? Option A, Mumbai and Dispur. Option B, Mumbai and Kolkata. Option C, Silchar and Porbandar. Option D, Nagpur and Siliguri. Friends, the correct answer is option C, Silchar and Porbandar. Question number 13. The railway gauge with a track width of 1.676 meter is option A is broad gauge, option B meter gauge, option C narrow gauge, option D none of these. Friends, broad gauge distance in broad gauge the distance between rails is 1.676 meters. So the correct answer is option A, broad gauge. In meter gauge the distance is 1 meter. In narrow gauge, the distance is 0.762 meter to 0.610 meter. Okay. Question number 14. What does QMS stand for? Option A, Quickly Medical Service. Option B, Quick Mail Service. Option C, Quick Metro Service. Option D, none of the above. Friends, the correct answer is option B, Quick Mail Service stands for QMS. Okay. Postal service in India was introduced in 1766 by option A Robert Clive, option B Warren Hastings, option C Lord Ripon, option D William Bentinck. Friends, the correct answer is option A Robert Clive. But postal service for the public was opened by Warren Hastings in 1770. Okay. But since Lord Dalhousie got it into the public domain at a large scale, Lord Dalhousie was called as the postal man of India, or the father of postal services in India is Lord Dalhousie. Okay. In many books, option B, Warren Hastings, has been introduced as the man who introduced postal service in India, but initially Robert Clive did it in 1766. Question number 16. Radio broadcasting was started in India in option A 1923, option B 1930, option C 1936, option D 1957. Friends, the radio broadcasting started in India in option A 1923. After that in 1930, the government started to take control of the radio broadcasting, and after that in 1936 it was termed as Prasar Bharati, and in 1957 it got its name as AIR, officially known as Akashvani. Okay, that which means voice from the sky. The correct answer is option A 1923. TRAI is a regulatory body associated with option A transport, option B telecom, option C tourism, option D technology. Friends, the correct answer is option B telecom. TRAI stands for Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. Question number 18th. What was the name of first Indian electric train run between Kalyan and Pune in June 1st, 1930? Option A Shatabdi Express, option B Tejas, option C Darjeeling Queen, option D Deccan Queen. Friends, the correct answer is option D Deccan Queen. Question number 19. Match the following. Rail wheel factory, option B rail coach factory, option C integral coach factory, option D diesel loco modernization works. Friends, on one side there are given various factories, and on the other side there are given cities. We have to correctly match these factories with their respective cities. Friends, the rail wheel factory is in Bangalore. This is correct. Option B rail coach factory is in Kapurthala. That is also correct. Option C integral coach factory is in Chennai. That is also correct. And diesel loco modernization works is in Patiala. That is also correct. So this is already correctly matched. Question number 20. Match the following. One side there are events, and on the other side there are dates given, years given. We have to match them correctly. Option A is TV first went on air in 1976, 1972 or 1959. The correct answer is 1959. Option B, TV broadcasting centers became operational in 1972. TV was separated from radio, that is AIR, and called as Doordarshan. Friends, firstly TV and radio together were called as Prasar Bharati. Okay, in 1976 they got separated, and radio was called as AIR and Akashvani, and TV was called as Doordarshan. In 1976 these two separated. Question number 21st. First CNG-based train of India started on 13th January 2015 between option A Rewari to Rohtak, option B Delhi to Mumbai, option C Rohtak to Kota, option D Howrah to Delhi. Friends, the correct answer is option A Rewari to Rohtak. First CNG-based train of India was from Rewari to Rohtak, not Rehadi. Question number 22nd. Jawahar Tunnel on Jammu-Srinagar highway passes through Pir Panjal range, option B Korakoram range, option C Zanskar range, option D Dauladhar range. Friends, the correct answer is option A Pir Panjal range. Question number 23rd. Indian Postal Day is celebrated on 10th of October, option B 11th of October, option C 12th of October, option C 13th of October. Friends, the correct answer is option A 10th of October. 10th of October is celebrated as Indian Postal Day. Question number 24th. First postal stamp of independent India depicting Indian flag with patriot slogan Jai Hind was issued on November 21, 1947, January 26, 1947, November 26, 1947, January 26, 1950. Friends, the correct answer is option A, November 21, 1947. And overall first postal stamp of India was issued by Sinde Dock in 1852. Okay. Question number 25. First post office of India Post was set up in 1983 at option A New York, USA, option B London, UK, option C Dakshin Gangotri, Antarctica, option D Bangladesh, Dhaka. Friends, the correct answer is option C Dakshin Gangotri, Antarctica. In Dakshin Gangotri, that is Antarctica, first post office of India was set up in 1983. So फ्रेंड्स, आज की वीडियो यहीं तक रखते हैं. आज हमने पार्ट सेकंड किया ट्रांसपोर्ट एंड कम्युनिकेशंस के मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज का. फ्रेंड्स, हमारे बाकी के वीडियो देखने के लिए आप जो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक्स दिए हैं उन पे क्लिक करके वहां विजिट कर सकते हैं. फ्रेंड्स, हमारा हौसला बनाए रखने के लिए ताकि हम और अच्छे अच्छे वीडियोस ला सके आपके लिए, प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में. टिल देन टेक केयर, बाय बाय.